Alright folks, thanks for watching here, Thunder Valley CB Shop. So our new Striker radios, after converted, peaked, tuned, and aligned, they're 580. We got the Connex 36 HPF, and those I actually put on sale. They're $40 off, they're $300. And the Connex 3400 HPs are $370 after peak tuned, aligned, and converted. My son's painting here, he's asking $40 for it, so let's try to make him some money so he can get his car. And we have the Viper antennas here. The Vipers are going for $80. The Black Widows, they're going for $100. And our Predators, those are also going for $100. We have some Echo mics in stock. We got a bunch of mic keepers in, black, chrome, and American flag. Those are $24. We also have an SWR meter here for $26 if someone needs one. And we got some nice mics in too. So we got the chrome 636 A static. We got the American flag 636 A static. Those are $50. Sorry, the chrome one's $43. We have the A-Static Road Devil, those are $50, and we have the A-Static D104, that's also $50. We got some long radio bracket mounts here, and thank you all for watching. Once again, please subscribe to my YouTube page and like it. Thank you all. God bless.